Good morning and welcome to episode 3 of Allitober Takeover. This machine right here just stole my money. I put like $1.25 or $1 in here and it's not reading anything on the screen. So I just took the clothes out and moved them to another machine. We got one load going right here. This one I could have sworn I pressed start on and it's not doing nothing. So I just lost $3.25 because I put the extra on and it's not doing anything. I'm pissed off because there's nobody else here. So yeah, I will be back for my money because we just don't play like that. I'm gonna try this machine. And hopefully this one doesn't take my money. This is crazy. 2 machines, I just lost like $5. That's why I hate laundromats. And this is definitely one thing I miss about my place is having my machine to do laundry as I feel. And I don't gotta put quarters in there and get the machine, let the machine eat them up. So, like I said, nobody is here for some reason. Normally, I've been here already like 3 times. And normally there's somebody here. But for some reason today, when the machines is eating up my money, ain't nobody here. But like I said, I will be back. And hopefully they don't give me no issues about it, saying that I wasn't really here or some type of nonsense. Because businesses, I notice these days, especially down here, do not like to take accountability for what is going on in their establishments. So yeah, we gonna hope for the best when it comes to that. Okay, so I don't know. I just decided to try this machine again, and I don't know if I have the door locked or something, but it's working now. It looks like I definitely see it spinning, and I'm starting to see like some little suds appear. So I'm guessing everything is all right. Because this machine, when you put the extract on there, it costs $3.25 as opposed to $2.75. So I wasn't trying to waste that, especially with nobody being here to compensate me what I lost. This one, it wasn't counting the quarters down, so I didn't want to risk continuously putting money in there and it don't be working properly. So, Good job, Pop. Oh, that's fun, huh? Bop. You gotta hold your steering wheel. Walmart. And I'm grabbing a few things that we could just eat while sitting in the laundromat. So, put on my cart. Some cheese sticks, some muffins, some bread and mix sandwiches probably later on. And I got my favorite chicken wrap in there and a little pinwheel for August. I'm gonna just get some, I guess I'll just grab a bag of these. These are my favorite, and they typically like to eat these as well. So I'm pretty much done in here. By the time I get back to the laundromat, our clothes should be done, and I could just fold them and leave. Where are you at?
I'm right here.
Where are we?
At the dentist.
Are you getting your teeth clean?
Yeah.
You are?
It's because the wheel's so scary.
The wheel's so scary?
Yeah.
Y'all think this wheel is scary? I think this wheel is cool. It's like we're at the aquarium, right? Yes, Augie Bear. I see.
What is that?
How many fishes up there, Ace? How many fishes is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Good job. You could count real good, Ace Poo. Ace Poo counts real good. Let me see your bag. What's that? What's in there? Yay. And no cavities for AC and no cavities for Augie. So you know she's got their music on, but these trucks right here that deliver the gas to the gas station area, they make $38 an hour starting out. Not working your way up to nothing, starting out. And you guys know I've been talking a lot about trucking and stuff like that, looking into how I get started and who could train me, who will let me take the kids, even if I drive locally, things like that. So I was just saying to myself, I would do this job. Like, it looks easy. It's probably a lot more technical than it looks, but I mean, it's just dropping off gas. You know what I mean? Like, I would do this job as rough and tough as it is. I would do it. Alright, so I know you guys haven't seen very much of me this vlog, but here I am. I just got Aiden from school. We came to get some lunch. I'm having an Oreo milkshake. I guess that's my comfort food, trying to brighten up my day a little bit. Because I'm just in a bad mood today. Things is just not what they're supposed to be. And I'm not seeing a whole lot of result from my efforts at all. So I'm not in the best of moods, but it is what it is. These last couple of days have been crazy. But maybe by the end of the week, things will be different, you know? Things change. Situations change, circumstances change, who knows? So, we shall see. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I guess I could just show y'all my lunch. Hopefully this burger is good, because sometimes they're not good. They're kind of plain and bland and nasty. So I got a burger. I just had some lettuce, tomato, and guacamole added on there. Hopefully they seasoned it, because for some reason they don't believe in seasoning sometimes. Fries and I also got myself this taco salad. I never had that taco salad before. It doesn't look very appealing. It's like in the pictures, the salads be looking bomb. And then, when you get them, they don't look that appealing. But nonetheless, I'm about to eat. So have y'all a great day. Episode 3 of Allitober Takeover is done. I'm out.